Hello, everyone. Are you a science teacher who wonders how to make your lessons more engaging? Or a student who hopes that studying would be more fun? Worry not, because today we will be talking about 5 ways on how to make your science lessons more fun. First, focus on how science works. Most students find science boring because of the things that teachers ask them to memorize. We can level up by focusing on what they can discover about it. Like, for instance, men know that it is hard to pee in the morning because of you know what. But why is it really hard to pee when the penis is erect? It is because an erection happens when the penis is filled with blood. It results in the compression of the bladder and narrowing of the urethra, making it hard to expel urine. The thing is, there are so many other facts that we can actually turn into trivia to make science more interesting. Number 2, do demonstrations to make things interactive. Pictures, illustrations, and videos are some effective tools to show a phenomenon. But demonstrations are very helpful because learners can see them real time. In fact, most students enjoy experiments because, you guessed it right, experience. So apart from saying that alkali metals are highly reactive with water, why not show them a reaction of lithium, sodium, and potassium in water, and let them witness the reaction themselves too? It might help if we think of demonstrations that they can also do at home. You can demonstrate Charles' law by using an empty bottle, hot and cold water, and balloon through this setup, and let them see that volume and temperature of a gas are directly proportional. Students actually love it when they get to do things on their own. Number 3, design mystery activities. Several researchers state that solving problems and mysteries can improve critical thinking, increase concentration, enhance mood, and refine stress coping skills. Solving problems give us some kind of ownership to our learning. This is also the reason why many people love riddles. I remember giving my students an activity on organic compounds where there are 3 chemical bottles with different fingerprints. They had to identify the killer by identifying the murder weapon. And I can say that they had fun testing the chemicals to search for the murderer. In a remote setting, laboratory activities may be limited, but let us be creative. Students may not be able to test some things on their own, but we can design activities that promote critical thinking and logical reasoning. Number 4, make your lessons relatable. I have surveyed my biology and chemistry students about what they think is the most effective and fun way to learn science. Most of their answers are, they want something that they can do and relate with. Students often ask, why do I have to learn this? Or say, I'm not going to be a scientist. Yes, we have all heard it, and probably we have said it before. Somehow the question becomes valid until we answer it. The most effective way to answer it is to relate it with their lives. For example, plants have cellulose in their cell walls. The reason why we cannot digest them is because we do not have the enzyme cellulase to break it down. So the next time you see your excretion, you'll remember you don't have cellulase. The key is to transform our lessons into trivia. Number 5, promote social interaction. Well, this is actually applicable not just in science, but to basically any subject there is. Allow your students to work together. Let them find ways on how to discover things with the help of one another, whether personally or remotely. After all, Collaborative learning has social and psychological benefits, such as it develops social support, builds diversity understanding, improves self esteem, and reduces anxiety. Let them put what they know into good use by applying them to make their own discoveries. Ask them to design an experiment or simply just to discuss their own learnings and realizations with one another. There is always a benefit in knowing how other people interpret and understand something. And all of those things can make learning more fun. Did you like this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn